Here we've got Nokia 5310, and let me show you how to change screen timeout on this device. So at first you need to open menu, so just tap on home button and now locate settings. Here they are, so smoothly open, and now click on display settings and reach backlight, so it's the second possibility here. And you will notice timeout easily. Now just change it by clicking on change, and now you can choose 10, 20, 40, 60 or even 2 minutes delay, and let me choose for example 30 seconds and then click on save. And that's it. As you can see, it has been applied, and from now on your display would fall asleep after 30 seconds of inactivity. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.